So the summer one is all summer related things. We start off at the beginning of the book with some really simple learn to draw pictures for you. And all you're doing is looking at the grid, where it is, and you're learning to observe. So one of the first skills you need to learn when you're drawing is observation. So I think using the grid for me was my best starting point. And then I started to look at real things in real life and have much better observation skills. But you've got to start off simple. It's very easy when you're learning to draw or be creative, think, I want to have that result, but it doesn't come straight away. So be patient with yourself, go slow, and take it step by step. Pineapple, so it's all things sunny and summery. They get a little bit more detailed as we go along, and you're just using the grid as a way to practice those observation skills of what goes where, what goes into the background, what's in the foreground, what links to what, if the hair's there, where does the hat go, kind of thing. Then once you've done that, you can, say if I've just drawn this over to here, I could then get the sketchbook that comes with the kit, redraw the grid in pencil, redraw the image. I tend to outline the image again with black. There is also a liner pen in the pack. And then you can rub out the grid in your sketchbook, and you can then colour in and practice the colouring in skills as well. Please do follow me on my profile. I have lots and lots of tips and videos, tutorials on how to draw, how to paint, how to colour, all those arty things. I just love it all. So I'm a bit of a dabbler. I like to dabble in everything. So this is a learn to draw book. There are many different art books. I have colouring books. I have art journals. You just need to go and check in the basket. There we are. We've got a boat floating in the sea, a deck chair, a gorgeous sunflower. In this book, some of the images are colour, so when you do transfer them into the sketchbook that comes in the kit, you can then rub out the grid and colour it in with the pencils that also come in the kit. We're going to move on, keep going, and we've got a lovely, now I live in Cornwall in the UK, so VW vans are the thing. I adore them. So that's a fun one to do. It'll be a fun one to colour as well. We've got a peony, nice summer flower. We've got a cool cat, a turtle, because I just think I associate sea creatures with the summer, and I don't really know why, but I do. We have a little island, tropical drink, sandcastles. These are the more difficult ones towards the back. They're getting a bit more detailed, but they're still fun. They're still fun. Okay, so that's the summer book. If you decide to go for the summer book, as I say, all kits come with a sketching book so that you can also sketch it again in the book. You get colouring pencils, you get a full set of graded pencils, so from the HBs. Hi Mel, how you doing, my darling? So you get a full set of those pencils as well, and you also get a eraser and a sharpener. Oh, and I mustn't forget you get the liner pen. I knew there was something else.